Mastering English. Organizing supporting details in relation to the main idea. Hello, English learners. We're back with another interesting video to enhance your listening comprehension strategies. Today, we're going to focus on identifying and organizing supporting details in relation to the main idea. This topic is crucial because it can improve your overall comprehension of English texts and conversations. So, let's get started. In any form of communication, there's usually a main idea or central point that the speaker or writer wants to convey. This main idea is often supported by additional information or arguments, which we call supporting details. These details provide more depth and understanding to the main idea. For example, if someone says, "My trip to Spain was amazing because of the friendly locals, delicious food, and beautiful sights," the main idea is that the speaker's trip to Spain was amazing. The reasons why, the friendly locals, delicious food, and beautiful sights, are the supporting details. It's important to be able to distinguish the main idea from the supporting details. Once you've identified the main idea, anything else that expands on, explains, or justifies that idea is usually a supporting detail. Here are a few pointers to identify supporting details. Look for examples or illustrations. These often help explain or clarify the main idea. Pay attention to details that explain why or how. These are usually meant to support the main idea. Look for sequences of events or lists. These can provide support to the main idea by organizing the information. Organizing the supporting details can help you better understand the relationship between these details and the main idea. Here are a few strategies. Look for the logic. How do the supporting details relate to the main idea? Is it a cause and effect relationship? Is it a list of reasons or factors? Create a mind map or outline. This can help you visualize the relationship between the main idea and the supporting details. Summarize. Try to summarize what you've listened to or read, noting down the main idea and supporting details. This practice can help reinforce your understanding. So, that's a wrap on our lesson for today on identifying and organizing supporting details in relation to the main idea. Remember, practice is key. The more you practice identifying and organizing main ideas and supporting details, the better you'll get at it. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find your English listening comprehension skills improving significantly. Until next time, happy learning!